Hey everyone, as you can see, it's a lot warmer. I've been doing a little work to the 45 Farmall A. Biggest thing is, got a, new to me, set of back tires. I got a little happy with the spray paint, putting a final coat on there after I got back from the tire shop. We have about 40-50% tread, a little bit of sun cracking in them, but I don't mind. Price is right. You can see belt pulley. Got the rear cultivators assembled, put together. When I got the tractor, I was able to find all the pieces tossed in the shed. Got a rear arm. This tire's a little bit rougher than the one on the other side. Still overzealous paint job. Everything greased up, new grease fittings. Have the front cultivators on. If you notice, there's a lot of red paint shining through where there used to be grease. Once I got the tires on, I drove it about a mile or so down to my grandpa's house, and we used his pressure washer. Give it about a 2-hour bath. Did find one oil leak right there, kind of the bottom of the steering gear box, but it's nothing major, so I'm not going to worry with it. Took the fenders off. They're in the basement. They're awaiting. They're on the list to have rust cut out and new patches welded in. Already got the gas on. Let's see, got a lot of junk off his bolsters. Yeah, let's see. I'll lay this puppy over here. On it. Already got the gas on. I got a electric start lever here. I have a little short foot kind instead of a longer one that comes up to where the magneto switch is. New battery. Gas, turn the magneto on, all choke in neutral. I'll reach out my foot. There. That's no choke. That is how fast she starts every time now. Still playing with the carburetor. You can see her puff blue every once in a while. It's an ongoing process. Give it a little gas. I'm going to take it for a ride around the house. Up there. Parking brake lever's down here over on the side, guys. Pop that off. We'll put her in. We'll go in second. That cultivator's all the way down. A little bit. Camera battery's in last. We'll go play in the garden. Come on now. There we go. She's not quite warmed up yet, so it's a little grumpy. Short little joyride. Down the yard. It's a lot better having that one tire wadded up, beating around everywhere. Until he's caught some grass, I had to rake out of the garden, decided to mow it down. Haven't disced it yet, but once I disc it, they can be using this to cultivate. Tell you what, while we're here, I'm going to go ahead and give it a whirl in the garden. Well, my battery's about to die. Camera battery's about to die, so I'm going to let the motor keep warming up, and I'll be back in a few minutes with a cultivating video. Show YouTube how to use manual cultivators, since this one isn't new enough to have the touch control, because this lever here does everything. This one over here does the left only. So, I'll show you how to run all that in a little bit. Hope y'all enjoyed, and see y'all in a few.